There's nothing quite like a delicate piece of fish cooked over lumped charcoal. So today, I'm going to show you two basic techniques for both smoking and grilling salmon fillets, all on your big green egg. First, let's prepare a couple of salmon fillets to be grilled directly on a cast iron cooking grid. Every piece of salmon should smell fresh like the ocean, not fishy, and the flesh should be firm and bright in color. Our first step is to wash and dry the salmon. Be sure that all the pin bones have been removed from the flesh and all scales have been removed from the skin. Pro tip, make a few slices through the skin of the salmon about a ½ inch apart, cutting 1/3 of the way through the fillet. This will help keep it from curling and help the fillet cook more evenly. Now that you've got it all cleaned up, add your dry seasonings. On these fillets, we're adding some big green egg, citrus, and dill to the flesh side and then the skin side, making sure to get the seasoning in between the cuts as well. After that, be sure to drizzle oil on the fillet generously, getting both sides since we're going to be putting these pieces directly on the cast iron grate. Now, you're all set. Another surefire technique for salmon is to cook them on cedar planks. For this method, follow the same steps as before. Wash, dry, debone, and remove the scales. Now we're going to coat the fillets with big green egg sweet and smoky seasoning. We also have Thai sweet chili sauce that we'll be basting the fillets with during the cook. Now that the fillets are prepped, let's head outside and get the egg ready to cook. First, set the egg for direct cooking at 325 degrees. While your egg gets up to temp, soak your cedar planks in some water to prevent them from burning during your cook. Then, place your plank on the cooking grid, close the dome, and heat for about 2 minutes. Using tongs, flip the plank and then place the salmon on the heated side of the plank. Coat the salmon with the sauce, close the dome, and cook for about 20 minutes or until the fish becomes slightly flaky. For the direct grilling method, oil the grate and lay the salmon skin side down. Pro tip, make sure the salmon is at room temperature when you start grilling so the center and edge of the fillet will cook at the same pace without drying out. After you place the fish on the cooking grid, do not touch it. Don't flip it. Don't turn it 45 degrees. Just leave it until the fish is cooked through. If you want to test for doneness, use a big green egg thermometer. If you ever have questions, be sure to give us a call or stop by and talk to the experts. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor home, where outdoor living is always in.